I hope this video finds you all in good health. I am Dr. Sunny Bose, Associate Professor of Marketing and Strategy at IBS Hyderabad. Me and Mr. Adipto Dotto, Doctoral Scholar at IBS Hyderabad, are the recipients of the 2019 AIM Sheth Foundation Research Grant. We received this grant for our proposed research on the application of online user-generated data to understand the perception of services of Indian Airlines among the passengers. To give a brief about our proposed research, we have to go back to an industry belief that being on time is the prerequisite for enhanced customer perception about services, thereby more passengers would fly with a particular airline. So the industry underpinning is always try to be on time, because that will make passengers believe that your service is superior and they will therefore fly more. We are not only trying to see whether this belief is actually a reality. If not, then what are the factors that passengers consider important to measure the services of a typical airline? We take this opportunity to thank AIM Sheth Foundation for considering our proposal for the grant. The AIM Sheth Foundation Research Grant Competition is a testimony to the quality of research that can be done in the field of marketing. This research grant is decided by reviewers who represent different parts of the globe. So, with an international panel of reviewers, one proposal that gets a research grant can always be assured about its relevance and credibility in both academia as well as in the industry. At the end, I wish all future applicants for the research grant competition all the best. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the chairperson of this FPM program and Professor Varsha Jain of Nika Sheth Research Foundation for this wonderful opportunity provided to us. The research project helps us in framing, conceptualizing, and identifying the specialists in the subject area, particularly with digital marketing. The research contributes to the major part of advancement we achieve in the scholarly work. I feel that working with the Nika and Sheth Foundation adds more value to our research and also to our resumes. We feel very happy and blessed to be a part of this project. And about the work, our project is about adoption of digital marketing in social enterprises. The work that we have accomplished so far is we have completed the literature review, identified 360 social entrepreneurs and completed the questionnaire preparation. Due to the pandemic issue, the data collection work has been interrupted, but we are sure that we could complete this within the time frame. We have used 25% of our grant money, and we also require some funds for the data collection process. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. I thank the foundation again for this great opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Just want to share with you regarding the Academy of Management and SAID Foundation Research Fund. I have received this research fund in the year of 2018, and the topic of my research was impact of neuromarketing in online retailing. I felt very happy because in such research areas of neuromarketing, especially there is a need of lot of funds, and that's why the fund which I received from AIM SAID Foundation had actually helped me to complete the research. I completed my research project in the year of 2019 and submitted my report to SAID Foundation. I am very much grateful towards SAID Foundation for giving me the opportunity to complete my research in due time, and I am in the process of publishing my papers, which is going to be published by the end of this year. Thank you so much SAID Foundation for honoring me with the research grant in the year of 2018 so that I could complete my research project on my chosen topic. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, my name is Amok Kumbargeri. I am a 4th year PhD student in marketing at IIM Ahmedabad. Today I would like to talk to you about one of my ongoing research projects, which is being funded by AIM SHET Research Grant 2019. This work is being co-authored with Professor Sudipta Mandal at IIM Indore and Professor Mansoor Khamitaw at Nanyang Technological University, Singapore. This project is titled The Impact of Brand Heritage on Consumer Responses to Brand Transgressions. So what are brand transgressions? Brand transgressions are violations of consumer brand relationship rules. For example, the Maggi 2015 incident involving high levels of monosodium glutamate. So this threatened the consumer safety and violated the consumer brand relationship rules. So how do consumers typically respond to such brand transgressions? They may dislike the brand, they may reduce their purchases, and they may even spread negative word of mouth. So we are studying such responses in the context of heritage brands. Heritage brands are those brands whose identity is very closely linked to their heritage. For example, Amul is one of the very well-known Indian heritage brands. Its identity is very closely linked to its heritage of milk cooperatives. So in this project, what we are looking at is how will consumers respond to the transgressions by heritage brands? Will they easily forgive them, or will they harshly punish them? We have some very interesting findings, but we'll have to wait for some more time till we conclude our data collection before we make our findings public. Has this research grant been helpful to us? Yes, it's been immensely helpful to us because we are following an experimental methodology of research, and this involves conducting multiple experiments in recruiting large number of participants, and running these experiments is a very expensive exercise. Moreover, sometimes we have to repeat the same experiment with different product categories to enhance its validity, and that adds to the expenses. And in addition to these lab experiments, we have also run a couple of field experiments which involves real products and real consumers, and these are even more expensive to run. But as we have the support of this research grant, it has enabled us to run these experiments in a timely manner and make significant progress in our research project. So yeah, this research grant has been very helpful, and thank you all of you for watching this video. Have a very nice day.